Okay, so this is the setup that I have for editing videos in PUBG, although it would work with any short clips that you have that you want to just edit down into a single video fairly simply without using a expensive video editor or even just a free video editor that's bulky and annoying. So this will do it completely lossless, meaning you'll lose no quality whatsoever, and it'll just completely concatenate all the clips that you need. Concatenate? I don't know how to say that. All the clips into a single clip without loss of quality, very simply and way faster in my opinion. So I'll have in the description all the things you need in order to do it. You do need a program called Lossless Cut, which is a open source program that this guy released. It's just awesome. And FFmpeg, which is pretty simple to install as well. But all that will be in the description. So basically, let me just go ahead and show you what it does. So we're going to go ahead and open the Lossless Cut. And this is a simple video editor. Really, it takes like 5 seconds. So let's say we want to do these 3 clips into a single video. So we'll do this first one. Find where it is that we want our clip to save at. So like let's say right here. This is where it starts. Click that arrow. I'm not going to really go into how to use this video editor because it's incredibly simple. But yeah, click this arrow to set the end, and then we want to set our directory to our trim directory, and just click this little scissor, and there it is. That's one clip edited, right? So now we want our second clip. I do want to just show you basically how fast this is compared to using like an editor. So this is where it is, where I want to start it, and I want to end it right here. Trim that. Open my last clip. Boom. And that's where I want to end it. Save that. Okay, so they're all saved. They're all in here. And it's important that they're all in here because this is every MP4 in this folder will be combined once I click on this button right here. So I run this batch file, and you see when everything went successfully, there's no errors. That's the only reason I had this pop up. Otherwise, I would have just had it invisible. But I want you guys to see if there's an error. But anyways, you press any key to continue, and you'll see that everything is gone, and there's just 2 directories. One is old clips, which has the clips that were used, and they're renamed. And then you have outputs, which is just the combined video. So let's go ahead and take a look. And here is the clip. Are like ready for upload, all combined, and without any loss of quality. So, yep, that's my my little setup I have going on. I just thought it would be worth sharing because of the lack of good lightweight video editors. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can go ahead. I usually just delete these, but just in case something goes wrong, I want to have them. And then your output is here and ready for upload. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.